I met someone who had a $2,000 phone bill when they came back from their international trip. Before you take your first international solo trip, do not just book a ticket and hope everything goes okay. I've seen a lot of people do that over the years and it never works out well. Sorry, menopause break. Side note, you need to have one of these when you travel. There are 5 things that you should do before you travel internationally, especially as a solo traveler. First, contact your phone company. Find out what calls, data, texting, roaming, find out what all of that will cost. See if your carrier has an international plan. I'm with Verizon. This is not sponsored by them, but I pay $100 a month when I travel and I have unlimited texting, calling. It works out great. I love it. Second, check with your credit card and your credit card companies and your bank. Side note, you shouldn't only travel with just a debit card. You should absolutely have a credit card. Ask whether they require a travel notification and make sure that your cards will work overseas. And please have more than one way to pay. I'm begging you. Do not just take one card. And yes, you should have some local currency. I know, a lot of people don't carry cash. I'm old school, so I always have cash when I travel. I think it's really foolish to go into a different country and not have any other local currency. You just don't know what can happen. And what's it gonna hurt to have some? You don't need to have a huge amount if you don't feel comfortable with that, but you need to have something because what if something happens and your card doesn't work? What if you need something and you can't pay for it with a card? I've seen this happen. I've been in places where the electricity stops working and now you can't charge anything. What are you gonna do? Just think about those kind of things. Third, check your passport. Each country has different requirements, so you need to do your due diligence and find out what you need before you get there. And also, you need to see if you need to have a visa before you go to another country, as well as seeing what type of immunizations are required, because there are some countries that actually require you to have immunizations. They're not, what's the word? Brain fog. Optional. And fifth, purchase travel insurance. Make sure that you understand the coverage. I recommend that it covers medical treatment, emergency evacuation, of course, the trip interruption, all the baggage and all those things. But you also need to make sure that your policy covers in case your family has to bring your body back. Preparation is not fear. It's actually self-respect. And confidence comes from preparation, not vibes.